love that song. The words are incredible. The guitar parts are cool, but the words are incredible. There's nothing better than singing with the congregation and worshiping with fellow believers to a song like this, where it's a great declaration. Oh, praise the name of the Lord our God. Oh, praise his name forevermore. It's just awesome. So I uploaded a tutorial of this a while back, and it was just kind of me earing the parts. And what I came up with, I didn't think was bad. It's not exactly as it's played, and it's kind of worked for me, but I've decided recently to dedicate some more time to actually learning the parts as they go. So this is how they are on the record as far as I can tell. I've only changed it a bit where I've actually played the song in the key of B instead of C, so everything's a half step lower. You just need to crank it up a half step basically if you want to play it in the original key. So as I roll out the Guitar for His Glory membership, I'm going to revisit some of the songs that I did when I first started the YouTube channel. I've come a long way with lighting, like understanding camera lighting and angles and stuff like that, and so it gives me an opportunity to maybe put out something a bit more quality than I did in the past. But in addition to that, it also lets me revisit some of the guitar parts. So they've obviously evolved as I've played them more, and then in some cases I've had a chance to kind of like re-dig into them and see if I was missing anything or maybe didn't have something quite right. And this is one of those for sure. So this is Oh Praise the Name by Hillsong, one of my favorites. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Vamp. Instrumental.